Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the DoorDash Crimson card and want quicker, contactless payments, adding it to Apple Wallet is the easiest way to do it. Instead of pulling out your physical card every time, you can simply use your iPhone to pay instantly. However, many users get stuck during the setup process because the option to add the card isn't always obvious, or the verification step doesn't go through properly. The process requires entering the correct details and completing authentication so Apple Wallet can securely store your card. Once it's added successfully, payments become much faster and more convenient. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to add your DoorDash Crimson card to Apple Wallet step by step, and try these. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the plus icon to add a new card. Step 3. Select the option to add a debit or credit card. Step 4. Enter your DoorDash Crimson card details manually. Step 5. Complete the verification process using the required method. Step 6. Confirm the card is added and ready for use in Wallet.